Hi, I'm Dominique and I go to BeehiveAcademy. And the science project that I'm doing is Chemistry Cleans a Penny. The materials that you will need for this project is white vinegar, a non-metal bowl, salt, 1/4 of a cup, a mixing tool, and a teaspoon. So the first thing you'll need to do is grab your 1/4 cup and pour the white vinegar into it. After that, you'll pour it into your non-metal bowl. After that, you'll grab your salt and your teaspoon and pour the salt into your teaspoon. Once you have done that, you'll pour the salt into the non-metal bowl with the vinegar. Once those both are in together, you'll grab your mixing tool and mix them both together. Once it's mixed well, you'll grab the pennies that you're using, and they have to be dirty, and put them into the bowl. Once you have done that, you'll count to 10 slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, you'll grab the pennies. And this is what your final result should look like. A nice, clean, new, shiny penny. Thank you for watching.